My new project for this video is an airbrush project. Okay. I recently bought an airbrush starter kit and I would like to get better at this. So this was the perfect time to try something easy. I followed a tutorial from Airbrush Asylum. I will leave a link to this video in the description below. He made an amazing Solar Eclipse and I tried to do the same here. I had some problems with regular spraying. My outlines are a little bit wonky. At the end of the project I will tell you what I learned as an absolute beginner. I would like to try this picture of the solar eclipse on another project soon. Having some troubles in the beginnings, definitely user error. This airbrush kit is great. You get everything you need, including a compressor. In my set there were no paints, but I have a link to both products in the description. So here is what I learned. First, when changing the colors, try to dry the brush as much as you can to avoid those spider webbings. 2. After changing to another color, spray on a different surface first, before going to your project. 3. Remove the cap in the front of the airbrush. I know this might be a no-brainer for you, but I did not know. 4. If you have problems when first testing the airbrush, try remove the needle and the caps and change them out with the new ones in the set. Mine worked fine after that. If you have any tips or tricks for beginner, please leave them in the comments down below. All in all, I really liked how this picture turned out. From afar it looks amazing, from near not that much. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day. Bye!